Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can redirect a subdomain in Hpanel. So you can easily create and manage domain redirects from a domain added to your hosting plan to another domain or IP. But take note, it doesn't apply if the domain you wish to redirect is connected to hosting your website builder. So you need to delete the builder-based site and add your domain to hosting plan as a WordPress website or other CMS. Now, to add a new redirect here, go to your account and then click on the websites right here on the left panel. And then from here, go to your dashboard. Now on the left sidebar or left side panel, search for redirects, select on it. And then from here, as you can see, we need to fill in the following. First one is redirect. So you can select a domain to redirect from the drop-down list over here. And then the forward slash path is this to specify a custom path to be redirected if needed. And then redirected to, you can choose the type of destination, either URL or IP. And then here redirect to, enter the destination to where the domain will redirect. So once everything is ready, click on the create button right here. Now, if you wish to delete your redirect or remove the redirect, just go to again to websites and then dashboard and then go to redirects on the sidebar and click on it. And you can locate the desired redirect in the list of redirect section. And then you will find a trash bin icon to cancel the redirection. And once deleted, the domain will stop redirecting and point to its original destination record as per the DNS zone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.